Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. How simply can we create the shapes? First I create a square box. Also create a circle and take two more duplicates by holding Alt key. Then select the box, set the angle 45 degree, then take direct selection tool, select the top point and delete it. Then go to stroke option, change the size. I change the value around 190 and change gaps rounded and corner meter. Then go to object menu, expand it. Now select these circles, shape builder tool, hold Alt key and minus the part. This is one of the tricks to create the shapes.